Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own business card using the ABBYY BCR app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out the links in the description, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, and when you open up the app you will see this page. Obviously, if you didn't scan any business cards and you didn't add your own business card yet. Now, to create your own business card, you just have to tap on the settings icon, which is on the bottom right corner. And here, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the sharing business cards icon, and you just have to tap on the create your business card menu. And here, obviously, you can create your own business card by typing in your name, last name, company, position, department, address, business, mobile, email, web, and obviously you can upload your logo to it as well. And then you just have to hit on the checkmark icon, and your business card is going to be saved here. You can also add a QR code to your business card by scanning with your camera right here. When you open up, it's going to use your camera. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and checking out the links in the description. Bye bye.